Want to send money to Bangladesh directly to a Bkash wallet in a few taps? Let's get started with Remitly. First, open your Remitly app or website and log into your account. You'll see a prominent Send Money button. Tap that to begin. The first step is to select your recipient's country for this tutorial. We'll choose Bangladesh if you've sent to this country before. It might appear in your recent destinations. Now, this is the crucial part. You'll be presented with several payout options. Look for and select Bkash. As the way your recipient wants to receive the money, this ensures a direct mobile wallet transfer. Next, enter the amount of money you wish to send. Remitly will show you the exchange rate and any fees, so you'll know exactly what your recipient will get and what you'll pay. Now it's time to enter your recipient's details. You'll need their first and last name, exactly as they appear on their Bkash account. Crucially, you'll also need their Bkash mobile phone number. Double-check this for accuracy. Before you confirm, Remitly will show you a summary of your transaction. Review all the details carefully: the amount, the recipient's name and phone number, and the payout method, which should be Bkash. Once you're happy everything is correct, tap the button to confirm and send your money. It's that simple. Your funds will be on their way directly to your recipient's Bkash mobile wallet in Bangladesh. You can usually track your transfer's progress within the Remitly app. Your recipient will receive a notification when they get the money in their Bkash account.